In this video, we walk through a multi-step repair process addressing pipe collar failure and surrounding infrastructure voids. Each phase demonstrates our strategic approach to inspection, injection, and final sealing. Upon arrival, our assessment identified a clear failure in the collar surrounding the pipe. The existing grout exhibited significant deterioration due to constant exposure to moisture. Watch as we execute a careful injection of our specialized material around the pipes, designed to seal existing leaks and fill any voids present. Beyond the pipe collar, our inspection extended to the surrounding infrastructure, revealing additional concerns requiring attention. Our technician identified and documented a void located beneath the curb and gutter adjacent to the intake. This void was specifically noted for repair to ensure the stability of the surrounding infrastructure. With the problem areas identified, we move forward with the placement of injection points. Here are the injection points around the circumference of the pipe. These locations were strategically selected to ensure the most comprehensive sealing of the area. Once positioned, we initiated the foam injection process to address the voids and cracks identified earlier. This is the foam injection process as it was applied around the pipe. The polyurethane foam expands and flows effectively into the surrounding areas. This expansion allows the material to reach up to 4 feet from the injection point, filling voids and sealing cracks in the substrate surrounding the pipe. Our hydrophobic polyurethane foam is engineered to significantly extend the service life of both the structure itself and the surrounding pavement for many years into the future. This foam is highly water resistant and will not degrade over time, even with continuous exposure to moisture. With the injection complete, we evaluated the results to confirm the effectiveness of the repair. See the completed repair. You can clearly see how the injected foam permeated and effectively sealed the gaps around both the structure itself and the inlet pipe.